Ladies and gentlemen, we are happy to participate in the 13th, the International Congress of the International Institute of Semiotic in Kaunas, Lithuania. The title of our paper in Semiotic Modality, Greimas to Quantum Language, or Semiotic of Quantum Biology, and how the brain mechanism function.
Semiotic modalities from j.Greimas to quantum language, or semiotics of quantum biology and how the brain mechanism function. It's an honor to us at Benghazi Lab for Semiotics and Discourse Analysis to participate in this scientific conference. Your work is a hope for the future of mankind. We believe that science is the last lifeline. Unfortunately, we were unable to be with you because of the civil war that's ravaging our country. The world is going through a dangerous juncture at crossroads between the future of human development and total destruction. We will explain in our approach some of our solution to some of the problems. On May 4th of 2016, IBM Corporation announced in New York that it will allow, and for the first time, the opportunity for individuals to deal with the first platform that allows users to run algorithms and experiments on their quantum processor. So, we were about to launch a new conceptual era for how to set up new thinking of the brain mechanisms after ages of cognitive estrangement and ages of impressive development in the human cognition, not just at the level of communication revolution and the exchange of information, but in terms of how humans think in the future in the biological sense of human brain.
So, we are on verge of a great explosion in the areas of artificial intelligence, not just in the area of development of computers, communication and travel, but also in dealing with solution to some evaluation problems in commercial and medical industries. In addition to the problem of meaning problem and communication between humans, or what is known as cooperation, and a relationship between variety of scientific fields which may seem to scientists traditional, or in the word of Thomas Kuhn, the paradigm. The fact that it appears different and has nothing to do with each other, like chaos quantum biology, Christoph Koch, natural correlates of conscious and biosemiotics, molecular, cybersemiotics, and dynamic semiotics, Weldingen, Peter Anderson, dynamic quantum logic, Baltag, Smith, quantum mechanics, Peter Shor, Charles Bennett. All of this supports epistemology foundation of following: philosophy, quantum mechanics, Dirac, Feynman, evolutionary semiotics, Peirce Darwin, discourse analysis, Nietzsche, Foucault, Deleuze, Barthes, mechanics, semiotics, René Thom, and mathematics analysis, Kurt Gödel, Herbert. Semiotic modalities, Greimas.
So we propose by quantum biosemiotics, or the collaboration in artificial intelligence between the product and computer, or between the quantum and the human brain, or quantum biology and how the brain mechanisms function. It might sound mysterious and scary. What would all of the scientific achievements in quantum biology might have on the human brain and its mechanisms? In the process of meaning production, semiotics and quantum thinking, major myths of language will be affected. The right or wrong, either with us or against us, defeat or victory, zeros or ones. It is language of quantum and chaos, thus possibility, probability, and diversity. It is a new identity of language, not the binary value, not zeros and ones, not A is A. It's a new value system, a new coordinate system, or more precisely, thinking of all the possibilities at the same time, a network of simultaneous possibilities. How is that? That is freedom. Is there any other meaning to the word freedom other than that? It's free-thinking individuals or independence. In conclusion, a classical science, including semiotics, is a very precise system, but also cannot answer questions like, how can racism be religious and puritanical at the same time? Religious wars in Europe, American Civil War, and the recent wars and terrorism in the Middle East. The easiest answer is that this racist thinking or religious terrorism in our modern sense today is not only hypocritical and erroneous, it will not lead only to little consequences, but it will lead to further conflicts. Is there any other meaning of the instincts of species continuity, position of value, j.Greimas? We are moving from the standard language strategy, the language of certainty, can no doubt be true or false, to the strategy of chaos, quantum, or the language of possibility and probability. You cannot distinguish quite clearly between phenomena in the physical sense and the scientific approach, as the phenomena is greater than any approach, whatever the degree of theoretical and procedural accuracy. It is important to distinguish between phenomena in the physical sense and concept as simulacral. The distinction between the concepts is very important: simulation, mimesis, and semiotics. On the other hand, at the level of phenomena, how is the thinking of children's brains violated their innate readiness for?
So, the new language of future, will it be language of childhood? How is the production of meaning in the children's world within the learn and teach strategy? Well, quantum and chaos in this chapter of ordinary language, binary, natural language, and other artificial language.